Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to make intro and outro for YouTube videos. I'm using kinemaster here. So we'll select the frame and then I am adding a background. You can use any of it. So here you have to select the duration for your intro. So then after it I am adding a text, whatever you like. You can add any text. So I'm writing here welcome to our channel, and after that you can select the font. You can select what you want to do with the text, like outlines, colors and stuff, and animation. So I'm using this one. After that I'll be adding my channel's logo in my intro because that's important. And after that, if you want me to teach you how to make this a logo and all these things, please let me know in the comments. So this is what it will look like. Also I'm adding an effect here. You can use many of this. You have to download them. After that I will add some overlay effects. So I'm using these shooting stars here. You can add whatever you like, it's totally up to you. I'm just demonstrating how to make this. So it's basically a rough intro. You can see my intro is a bit similar to it, so I'm just giving you guys an idea. After that I'm adding my subscription advertisement like this. So I've also made it by using kinemaster. If you want me to teach you guys how to make this, please let me know in the comment section. After that you can also add music because music makes it a bit catchy, so do add good nice music. So here you can see. Now let's quickly look how to make outro. It's a bit similar. Add a background and then you have to select some duration. Make sure you at least leave a 10 to 15 seconds at the end blank, so that you can add the end elements, like basically the suggesting videos for your viewers, which you have often seen on YouTube. So here you have to write something. If you want to say thanks or subscribe or details about anything else, so you can add. Simply I am editing this my text and I am selecting the animation. After that I'm using an overlay clip art basically to make it a bit more attractive. So I'm just randomly selecting anything just to show you guys how it's done, and I'm using this fountain effect. I'll just set it to a low opacity so that it does not look odd. So here you see. After that you can also add this subscription advertisement again, because you want to remind your viewers to don't forget to subscribe. So here I'm doing that again. After that, what I am doing, I am adding these frames as I've told you earlier. So the end screen element which is available on these YouTube, so that you can suggest your other videos to your viewers as well. So here I am selecting these frames for that only. You can leave it blank also, but I am adding frames so that if you want me to teach you guys how to do that, let me know in the comment sections that as well. So after that I am adding a bit of music to it. So make sure the music is catchy, because that's what's going to help you. So these intro and outro, this is basically, it makes your videos a lot more appealing. So here you can see I'm adding music. I'm keeping it on a low volume because we don't want it to sound disturbing, we want it to be soothing. So it will appear like this. So the frames will suggest your videos. You can also voice over. It has also this option. After that you can export it and save it and use it for your other videos. If you like this video, please like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.
1, 2